Okay, Wally's is saying this is about TikTok ads. Wally's saying in the ad advertiser account, you are unable to see and create a new option. Seriously, I'm not sure. Okay, because for all the cases that I'm actually handling right now, we all have that issue. We all have that the thing. As in, like, I mean, the advisable way to start TikTok advertising is to start a TikTok business center. So when you start a TikTok business center, essentially you are actually operating as a business entity, and you can actually add multiple ad account, multiple pixel, and of course the link with multiple TikTok account to run ads and to manage it in a more kind of like a structured way. It's very similar to Facebook Business Manager. That's why it's called a business center, because like essentially when it comes to TikTok advertising, it is actually very similar to Facebook advertising. The layout, the navigation, and everything is actually very similar. It's just that they have their own unique features, which is may not be available on Facebook. So that's why I always tell people you have to understand where your audience are hanging out. Like I said, I would not recommend every single one of my clients to go TikTok advertising, because if your audience are not there, there's no point in spending over there. But nonetheless, we wouldn't know until we start doing a little bit of experiment. I think it's worth trying. And nonetheless, I think it's a platform that is on the rise. And I truly believe that we have to really take notice and start planning something about it. So that's what I think. So, Walid, I do not know what could be your possible issue over here, but like I said, we all have it. But just in case you need help, same thing, you can actually scan this QR code. We can spend half an hour together to look at your situation, for me to give you my suggestion based on whatever I know, right? Yeah, so that's something that we can do together. All right, for anyone else, if you are watching this video, even in the future, if you need any help, in fact, if you need, like, some people actually post questions on my YouTube channel and expect me to respond. Oh, I'll be waiting, and then they keep commenting and say, why are you not replying? I mean, come on, man. Seriously? But if you need something fast, well, scan this QR code and we can chat. I mean, yeah, I mean, that's how things work, right? That's how things work. It's not like I'm a YouTuber and I'm obligated to answer all your questions. I think it's not fair that way. Just right. So yeah, scan this QR code and we can spend half an hour together for any questions you have regarding Facebook advertising, TikTok advertising, YouTube advertising, or even like general digital marketing, or even if you need some like brainstorming in terms of like business ideas and stuff like that. I'm open. Anything, right? Scan this QR code and we can do it together.